Hey, good day to everyone. Today I want to bring you the trade on FTI. As you guys that were in the stream today earlier noticed that the reason why I picked this name up is because I've been watching this one for the last couple of days. Although the last 2 days I have not taken any trades, I have a monitor that is dedicated for swing trade ideas and kind of long-term watch list that I'm keeping an eye on for possible day trades and even swing trades. FTI was on my radar today. You can see the pre-market hours. Right here, you can notice here we have a bear flag pattern formation on 5. Came down hard, started to reject when you notice here. This is the formation that we were having. As he came down here and had a reversal, this top 772, as you can see right here, the trend line started to have a reversal. A couple of long wicks, and I was looking for an entry on this 5-minute time frame. Looking at those two dojis here, I took a slab. It was coming down right here. 764, below this candle here, 764. I had to hold, came down, come up, retest 772 prior high, started to go sideways, picked up this view app, came up, tested the 50 simple moving average on the 1, and I started to look at this area here, 775, the pre-market hours. Tapped it several times. As you can see, the trend line right here had a bear flag pattern, so it showed the trend was actually coming down. We held here. As it moved, I had to hold all throughout, and it gave us a small pennant formation. Right here, 1 minute time frame, and then start to flush down under the view app again. That's what we have. Bear flag pattern right here, came down 764 short. Bear flag pattern right here, continuation. So you notice right here another flag formation, another bear flag pattern. Here's the consolidation for that bear flag pattern. Let me show you here. A little bit of a extended price channel right here in the 1 minute time frame. Broke, came down. There was a massive bid with like 170,000 shares at 735 that I actually shared on the Discord group. And he printed another bear flag pattern right here when he broke under this trend line right here, 737. 735 got a short. Low 733, bear flag pattern formation, another one right here, and this, and then rejection of the 50 simple moving average to follow through and dip 726. What I try to do really is to cover on weakness and actually sell on strength, right? That's always recommended, and you're gonna hear a lot of people talk about the same thing, and here it actually worked out pretty well. I put a profit taking area. I had to step out. I have my feet were a little swollen, and I stepped away from the computer, put a stop limit order to cover my position, and also a stop limit order for me to get out in case the trade didn't really hold. I was already in the driver's seat really, because my short 764 worked out pretty well. I'm gonna share a picture right here of that in the trade. But the reason why I stopped limit order to get out was something that I was willing to do on this trade, was because it was moving a little bit slow. If it was a fast mover, I will not do that and then just walk away from my computer. That's not actually something that I will end up doing. I wouldn't recommend that, because chances are if the volume steps in too quick, if you have a gap, you might not get filled because there's slippage in the volume coming in real quick. So your stop can actually be jumped and not get you filled at exactly the price that you want it to, and just have an open position sent, especially if you have a stop limit order and then you have a trigger price and a limit price. If the stop doesn't trigger because the price jumped too quickly, then your limit price is not going to be filled, because the limit price is probably going to be jumped, and now you're just going to have an open order that was not filled at all, so you have no protection at all. But if the price of the stock is moving somewhat slow, then you wouldn't have that problem. And sure, things can happen, but with how slow everything was moving today, I felt pretty confident that it was not going to be an issue for me to just leave the computer for a couple of minutes and just leave a couple of orders out there in case something didn't happen. I had to go downstairs, walk a little bit, move my legs, again, swollen feet, put a little bit of icy hot and all that kind of stuff. So this is the reason why I got away for a couple of minutes. But overall, decent trade, all live streamed live on YouTube. And the people that were on live stream and also in Discord group know that, because I share that picture with the trade and the different things that I was looking at, and different pictures of the entries that I was looking at. I'm also gonna share those pictures in this video at this time, that you've probably seen that already. So I'm gonna try to put them in throughout the video. So for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. Happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Take care.